mind the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so what do you want?
I'm on these rap. Really YouTube, but I know like right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grow Zone 8B. Just a quick look at what's going on here at Bumblebee Junction. You guys see that little moth thing flying around here, darting back and forth? This is not a butterfly, and this is not your friend. This little guy gal is currently laying eggs everywhere she sits down at. And again, YouTube, this is not your friend in your garden. Can you see that? Laying eggs right now. If I don't come out here and spray these plants this evening, tomorrow when I come out here, you will already see these eggs out here stuck to the bottom of these leaves beginning to develop. Again, that little thing right there is not your friend in your garden, YouTube. If you see this little guy landing on your plants in your garden, come out and check your garden for eggs on the bottom of your the leaves of your plants, and come back out and spray your garden with some type of organic fertilizer, what I recommend. But again, yes, this is not your friend, YouTube. I repeat, not your friend in your garden. You see this little thing darting around in your garden? Be sure, YouTube, be sure to get out again and check your plants, because if not, your plants will truly be eaten up within the next several days if you don't come out and conduct some type of pest control on your plants. Again, looks like a butterfly, darts around like a little butterfly, but it's far from a friend to your garden. Yeah, I will be coming back out here momentarily at the end of this video and spraying down my yellow wax beans here at Bumblebee Junction. Again, this is not your friend, YouTube. If you see this in your garden, do not think that this is just some pretty butterfly that's in your garden landing on your plants to pollinate your plants. That is indeed not what's going on here, YouTube. That's not what's going on. I just want to shoot this quick video to show you guys, give you guys a look at something that you think might be so cute and pretty in your garden, but again, it's not your garden's friend. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and if indeed you're currently watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, not YouTube, not your garden's friend. Thanks for watching. All right, YouTube, just a quick peek at exactly what that little butterfly looking thing does in your garden, and what it leaves behind after it darts back and forth from plant to plant. This is exactly what happens when you see that little moth type thing in your garden. This is what it's leaving behind, YouTube. Take a look at this. You guys see those little white eggs right at the tip of my pinky finger right there? These are the eggs. These are indeed the eggs that little butterfly type guy, moth thing, deposits beneath the on the bottom side of the leaves of your plants. And in just a day or two, YouTube, in just a day or two, these two little eggs will have hatched, and you'll begin to see these leaves getting eaten up in this garden. I'm gonna go to each individual yellow wax bean plant here in this particular planter here at Bumblebee Junction. I'm going to inspect the bottom of each and every leaf on each plant, and then I'm going to come back and use some organic pesticides on these plants to assure that we won't have to worry about that little guy coming back and depositing any more eggs on the leaves of our yellow wax bean plants here at Bumblebee Junction. There's a tiny one down there beginning to develop also. Maybe not from that same insect, but yeah, YouTube, you gotta be vigilant out in your garden. Watch your garden. Know that everything that looks pretty and lands on your plants is indeed not necessarily a friend to your plants, and can sometimes be doing far more harm than good to your plants, YouTube. At any rate, YouTube, I'm gonna come back now and as I'm pretty much in the process of inspecting the leaves on my plants now. I'm gonna check and make sure there's not any eggs under the bottom side of any of my leaves, and if indeed there are, I will come back, remove those eggs from the bottom of my leaves here, and then come back again and spray my plants down with just one there. You guys may not be able to see that, but there at the tip of my thumb there, that little white thing there, there's an egg there. So again, YouTube, I will be coming back out here. I will inspect the bottom of the leaves on all of my yellow wax bean plants here at Bumblebee Junction. After I remove the eggs that I can actually visibly see, I will indeed be coming back and spraying down my arugula, my yellow wax beans, my iceberg lettuce seedlings that's just beginning to grow here at Bumblebee Junction, and also YouTube, and also my Swiss chard that is indeed looking fantastic here at Bumblebee Junction. Right here now at Front Yard Garden Extended Grow Area. I'm gonna give you guys one quick spin around here to show you what things are looking like here at Bumblebee Junction. Again, things continue to grow at a geometric rate here, and we're super excited about the rate in which our mixed colored Swiss chard, our iceberg lettuce, our yellow onions, our yellow wax beans, and our arugula is currently looking right here, right now, at Bumblebee Junction. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Good means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so when you rewind.
Call it loose, city loose, stay. I'm unleashed, rap king of the streets, ripping up another beat, and I still don't play. I flow smooth in my lyrics on time. All my haters in the crowd, it's loud, but I leave them all quiet when I say what's on my mind. I ain't fell off, I won't stop. There is a diff on the corner of the top until my very last breath. I'm gonna give it all I got. Red eye, thinking late night flights. Won't stop and tell us that I'm touching down in Cali, destination in the valley, and I'm feeling alright. I'm elevated, I'm a product of the sun. On top status, I'm a flowing apparatus. Got my haters talking chatter, but I still get it done. Everywhere I go, I still see pros. On the beat, see I'm walking down the street, high heels on their feet, almost wearing no clothes. I'm making money selling records overseas. All in Ghana, I'll be smoking marijuana. You can find me down under, even in the Philippines. Like Ali, I'm a lion, I'm the greatest. I'm top notch, I can see outside the box. I'm making haters stop and watch because they know that I done made it.
Good means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Looking for me, you can find me in my life. I stand tall, but I keep my circle small. Don't let them lawyers get involved whenever I profit off my name. I'm full grown, I'm a lion in my prime. Check my design, I mean the way I spit around. I'm about to make the haters feel me like I did the last time. Deep breath and I'ma drop another verse. No competition for this lion on a mission. If you want it, come and get it. I'ma hit you where it hurts. You need a minute, let my words marinate. It's been a minute, I didn't mean to make you wait. I'm about to rip it straight to shreds and I ain't gonna hesitate.